Imagine a majestic lion, dozing in the sun, utterly unaware of the tiny adventure lurking nearby. What could possibly disturb his peace? Suddenly, a tiny mouse dashes right across his giant paw. Did you see that? The lion stirs, eyes snapping open. Startled awake, the mighty lion growls, "Who dares disturb my sleep? You're toast, little intruder." But the mouse, trembling, pleads, "Oh great lion, spare me. One day, I might help you." Can you believe it? A tiny mouse helping a lion? The lion laughs heartily. "You? Help me? That's a good one. But fine, you amuse me. You're free to go." Days roll by in this vibrant jungle, where each creature has its own tale. But fate has a twist waiting ahead. Oh no! The lion finds himself trapped in a hunter's snare, roaring in desperation. "Help! Is anyone there?" Who's that? It's the little mouse. He hears the lion's roars echoing through the trees and rushes toward the sound. With tiny but brave feet, the mouse arrives, saying, "Don't worry, mighty lion. I'll help you." Can he really do it? The little creature nibbles at the ropes. "I'll set you free," he shouts. The lion holds his breath. Can this work? Snap! One rope goes down. Then another. The lion can feel his freedom creeping back. What a sight to behold! At last, the lion is free. He stands tall, awed by his tiny savior, a warm smile spreading across his face. "Thank you, little friend." Grateful, he says, "I was wrong. You've taught me a lesson about kindness and strength. Even the smallest creature matters." The mouse beams up at him, realizing their bond is now unbreakable. Who would have thought? A lion and a mouse, best buds. As the sun sets, they stroll side by side through their jungle home, united and undaunted. Adventure awaits. And so the story prevails. Remember, kindness is never wasted and comes back in the most unexpected ways. So next time you think you're too small to make a difference, just remember this tale. Who knows what you can achieve? Join us for more adventures where size doesn't matter. Friendship can change the world, one tiny step at a time. Like what you saw. Hit that follow button and join our jungle adventures for more heartwarming stories. See you next time in our vibrant jungle. Remember, every friend counts.